Fulfilled by Partner, or FBP, is one of the delivery modules here at Noon offered for sellers. FBP offers two types of operation modules, Direct Ship and Direct Delivery. Direct Ship is the faster module between the two, and it's also the module best for bulkier items that don't require any installment. As a seller, you'll receive the orders through your application. Through this module, it's your responsibility as a seller to receive orders, package them, and ship them out in time. You will have to package and prepare the orders for our logistics team to pick it up. You'll also be able to order any packaging material through the application to ensure that you follow the guidelines. Once that's done, you can just contact our logistics team and they'll pick it up from your location and deliver it directly to the customer. You'll be able to track it using the tracking number on your app until it's delivered to the customer. Because Direct Ship is logistically supported by Noon, your orders will be fulfilled faster to your customers. The next module is Direct Delivery. This is where you as a seller are responsible for both the inventory, shipping, and delivering the products to the customer. With direct delivery, it will also be your responsibility to schedule the delivery date with the customer directly. You will have an estimated delivery date available on the app, as well as a tracking number to ensure that it's done and delivered within that time period. We also have a dedicated seller support team that you can reach out to for any support and questions that you may have.